Mama, would you like to go out for a delicious dinner tonight? Yes, please. I'd love to. Yes, Mom. I am hungry and want yummy food tonight. Wonderful, honey. Let's go. All right, I'll wait. I will put on my favorite shoes quickly so we can leave now. Please put all your school papers away neatly before we leave. That's better. Now let's go. The city looks beautiful with all these bright glowing lights tonight. It really does. There are many cars because people are going out for dinner. Oh, I see. We are going to the Italian restaurant with the best spaghetti tonight. Look at the street signs. We are getting very close now. I can see the big red sign. It looks fun and busy. We have arrived safely. Please wait while I open your door. Hold my hand while we walk into the restaurant together. Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome. How many people are dining tonight?
There are 2 of us. We would like a quiet table for 2, please.
Huh? Right this way, ladies.
Oh, no.
Please follow me. I have a nice table ready. Renee. Here are your menus. Your waitress will come shortly.
I am checking the menu to see all the food. Yes, I see it. That is what I want. Mom, what does today's special mean? It means a special dish just for today, sweetie. I am ready to order now. Great. Great. I also know what I want. I would like spaghetti with tomato sauce and extra cheese, please. I will have grilled chicken with fresh vegetables, please. Perfect. Thank you. May I also have a glass of apple juice? Yes, that sounds lovely. The kitchen is busy, preparing meals for many customers. Here is your juice and water. Your food will arrive shortly. Thanks, Sarah. This juice tastes sweet and refreshing tonight. Oh, it certainly does, dear. I'm glad you're enjoying it. The spaghetti looks wonderful and smells amazing. I'm so glad you think so. Go ahead, try it. My chicken looks healthy and very colorful today. I am spinning noodles to make eating easier. That's a great idea. This pasta is so tasty, and I really love it. I am glad you are enjoying this dinner tonight. Look, they are celebrating a birthday over there. Ooh. I finished my food and feel very happy. That's wonderful. Now we should clean our faces with napkins. May we please have the check now? Here is your bill. I hope you enjoyed everything. Oh, yes, thank you so much. It was delicious. We loved it. Thank you for your kind and fast service tonight. Let us see how much dinner costs now. I am paying with my credit card. Please sign your name right here on the receipt. Okay. Thank you so much. Yay! I am signing so they know payment is complete. Yeah. We are leaving extra for her good service. It is time to return to the car now. Goodbye, Sarah. Thank you for dinner tonight. Bye. It feels cold outside tonight. Let us drive home now. The engine is starting now. Yay! Whoa! Yay! Ho! Did you enjoy the dinner tonight? Oh, yes. It was so delicious. Yes, I loved spending time with you. What? Yeah. I am feeling sleepy now. It's okay, sweetie. Rest your head. We are home now. We are back in our kitchen. Please go and brush your teeth before you go to sleep now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe now. Please like and subscribe now.